Making of this turmeric soap was fun. It came out very beautiful. Turmeric soap has so many benefits for skin. It is an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. Turmeric soap brightens skin and moisturizes skin. Turmeric soap can be used on your face and also your body. It is an anti-aging. It speeds up the renewal of skin. Turmeric soap can be used by adults and it can also be used by children. Relax and let's make it together. The first oil here is coconut oil. I use coconut oil as a carrier due to its ability to produce lather and hardness. The second oil we'll be using is soy oil. Soy oil creates a creamy lather and has conditioning properties. And we'll also be using cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a natural collagen booster. It also nourishes and hydrates skin while leaving it feeling silky and smooth. The next on our list is caustic soda. Put your eye on the screen and you will see the measurements of all the ingredients. Turmeric powder can be used by all types of skin. This is water. Water to dissolve caustic soda. Always protect yourself while dealing with caustic soda as it is highly corrosive. Add caustic soda into the water and mix gently until it dissolves completely. You have to mix after adding it to the water. Mix it gently. Then set it aside to cool and clear. Remember, it's cold processed soap. The water is completely cool now and clear. You can see the water is clear and it has cooled down. Now we can go to the production properly. Now you can add your melted cocoa butter oil into the coconut oil in the mixing bowl. Add and stir. Then add the soy oil to the mixing bowl as well. So that is combine the three oil that we are using for today's production together before adding the next chemical. And the next thing we'll be adding is our turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, will be adding 2 spoons of turmeric powder into the oil. Just 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder into the oil. Add and mix it very well. Stir it very well. Stir it very well before adding the next ingredient. And the next ingredient we are adding is fragrance. Fragrance is to create fine aroma for soap. You can add any fragrance of your choice. As you add, you stir it together very well. Stir it together at least to have a fine blend before adding the next ingredients. And the next ingredient we are adding is our lye water. Add it gradually. As you add it gradually, you stir it. You can see the chemical reaction. Stir it and stir it very well. Stir it, it brings out very beautiful color. Very, very beautiful. That is what you get when you buy a good ingredient. When your oil is good, when all the additive you are using is good, you have a perfect production. You need to stir and stir and stir it very well for the oil and the ingredients to mix together, at least to come to a gel stage. To have a gel face, you need to stir it together very well. At this stage, don't forget to comment, like and share my video. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, why not? Do subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified for the next video. Now you get your mold. You can choose, I choose to use this type of mold because I just want to see the outcome of this beautiful turmeric soap. You can choose to use any mold of your choice. Remember, your soap will look exactly like your mold. Now it has get to a trace level that you can pour it into your mold. Look at the face, very jelly. So it's entered the mold now, and I tap it so that it will set well in the mold. You can now keep it in a safe place and allow it to set for 24 hours. This is the beautiful turmeric soap after 24 hours. I've already unmolded it. It came out real beautiful and I love it. So let's go ahead and cut the soap. It's so beautiful. You too can try it. You can make it for you, for yourself and your family, or for business. You market it well, people will patronize it. People will love it. Now I use my available knife, my kitchen knife, just to cut the soap. Watch me cutting the soap. Very, very nice. It's very, very, very nice. I love it. You can see the inside. It's really gelled well. It looks real nice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. Remember, the soap can be used with any types of skin. Anyone can use it. You can use it with your children. It's not harsh on body. Any skin type can use this soap. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, hit the like button on my video, share and comment on it. Ask any question and I'm here to answer you. I'm trying to check the pH of the soap. As you can see, the pH now is between 10 and 11, which is okay for our bathing soap. pH is very perfect. So this soap is good. You can use it for children, and I'm trying to test the foamy level of the soap so that you can see that it foams as well. Don't forget to allow your soap to cure for 3 to 4 weeks before you start using it. allow it to set and cure very well so that it will not harm your skin. Like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye.